Hi everyone, today we have another part of the excavator and digger, which I started a couple of weeks ago, actually a couple of months. And today I would like to build up the front arms for holding and loading tray. I started them yesterday and made a cut-off elements from cardboard, joined them together with other surface of cardboard to make it nice and thick, and cut out the element which is going around this bigger element to make it in the shape. Next I started to stick them together, and I wanted to make it as a one full form to make a part of them to close elements down in one full shape after in today. But later I realized that it could be a bit tricky to make a start this way, so decided to stop a bit and finish today with joining together three elements in one and closing them slowly during the building and together and attaching by the glue. Because yesterday I made a bit mess up with some parts which were made a bit bent where they should be nice, straight and flat. In this case I had to cut them out today again and try to reattach them to the surface in very straight form. So this time I want to join them together, put in proper shape, and after attaching all three parts together I want to make them nice, filled up, smooth. Assembling together the long parts on the long areas is actually sometimes easier by making it in the corners or on the bendings. In this case I had to sort out a bit sticking together stuff, and sometimes parts of the cardboard won't a bit cooperative as you would like. In this case I was trying to join them together and keep them in nice and smooth, straight position. Sometimes paper actually running into the shape instead of being outside. So just to make it easier, I use the holes which are in the ends of the arms, and sometimes using the scalpel blade to pull it out back to the straight and in corners. Next try to make a nice edge